Fantastic one, guys. So basically today I'm going to make you something really amazing. All right. I'm back in the kitchen with another one. So please tune in and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right. The ingredients are gonna be straightforward. It's not gonna be complicated. All right. So we want to start it off. We're gonna start it off by adding roughly about quarter of beetroot into the blender. All right. All of these gonna be also natural ingredients I'm using. All right, guys. Secondly, we're gonna add some carrot, roughly about a large tablespoon of fresh carrot. All right, beautiful and nice. Also, I have roughly about 3 slices of fresh organic ginger straight inside of it, and that is amazing. I got one secret which I'm gonna be sharing with you, and this is going to be an amazing, and this is what's gonna make it also different, and you guys gonna love it. I'm using some organic cucumber, and I'm using half of it, and I remove the skin. All right, lovely. Now let's get our lemon. All right, so right here we're going to be squeezing some lemon inside of it. All right, we're gonna put in some lemon juice, roughly about a tablespoon of lemon juice inside of it. All right, now we have a little bit of honey and bits and pieces that we're gonna put also inside of it. Honey is just option, you don't have to, but if you like, you can also put roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. All right, just for a little bit of flavor. You don't have to, that is just option. Now we're gonna go into it with some of our favorite. All right, we're gonna be using roughly about 1 teaspoon of meringue. I'm not gonna measure it, it's gonna be high measurement. All right, beautiful. And I'm using right here I'm using the powder one, so you can use also the leaf. All right, beautiful meringue, very good. All right, also you can use the seeds if you like to. All right, we're gonna go in it with roughly about 1/4 cups of water, not too much. Lovely. I love it, guys. It's amazing, the flavor, the texture of meringue. Wow. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take it to the blend. All right, and then what we're going to do next is simple. Put our liquid into this one right here. That's gonna be amazing. All right, we're gonna go to the blend, and we're gonna make a little bit of a noise. Lovely. That is amazing. Now, the longer you blend it, one man say is the better for it. All right. So hopefully that's a true story. But to be honest with you, it's a beautiful smoothie to have in the morning, guys. All right, 100%. So yeah, that looks amazing. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pour it out inside of it like this. Look at that. That is amazing. All right, now you can have this for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, evening snack. And this is amazing, guys. Beautiful. Please enjoy it. All right. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. And if you like this kind of video, please let me know. And that's where I come in. I will give you some of the world best ever recipe. Look at that. Beautiful to have in the morning for breakfast. So stay tuned in and stay blessed up, man.